Hello and welcome to this video. In the previous video, we had created a Gradle project and added dependency for RxJava. In this video, we'll be seeing how to create observables. So there are many inbuilt methods provided to create observables, but we'll be discussing a few of them. So let's start with the create method. The create method allows to create observables from scratch. So let's see how it's done. I've created a Java file. So for creating an observable, I'll say observable and I'll select the ReactiveX extension and I'll say observable equals to observable dot create, and here I'll be using lambda function for making an emitter. Create method is actually creating the observables from scratch, so you can emit as many items as you want. You can emit error or you can emit on complete as well. So for emitting a value, let's say I emit a value of an integer 5, so I'll say emitter dot on next 5. So this will emit an integer 5, but how to restrict what to emit? So I can even emit a string, and I can even emit a complex object, a list or anything. So if I provide a generic here as integer, now I won't be able to emit a string. I have to emit an integer. So let's emit 5, then again let's emit one more value, let's say 10. Then we will call emitter dot on complete. We call on complete when all the items are emitted. So now an observer has to actually subscribe to the observable in order to get the items emitted by observable. So we will say observable dot subscribe and we will get the value here. Let's print the value. Now let's run and check what happens. Yeah, so it prints 5 and 10. But what about on complete? So for that there is an error method and there is also an on complete method. In this on complete method, it will be called when observable emits on complete. So I write here on complete. Now let's run. Yeah, so 5, 10 and after that on complete. I can even emit an error. Let's say I write here emitter dot on error and I throw an exception. Let's say error occurred, and here in the error we'll say err dot get message. Now let's run. 5, 10 and then error occurred. So this is how create method is used. Now let's use the just method. So what just method does is it emits just one item at a time. So it will emit one item only, and it can take up to 10 items as a parameter. So let me comment this code, and then here I'll say observable, and it will emit an integer. Then again observable equals to observable dot just, and I'll emit 2. Now if I say observable dot subscribe, now as a shorthand I can also write system dot out println. Sorry, it will be double colon. Now let's run this. Right, it emits 2. We can even add more parameters. It can take up to 10 parameters. Fine. Now can you guess what will happen if I emit a list? If I emit a list of, let's say, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I should actually remove the generic here. Now if I emit 2, 3, 4, 5 as a list, then let's see what happens. Alright, so maybe some of you expected that it will emit 2, 3, 4, 5 one at a time, but what just does is it will emit the parameter as an object, as a complete object. So what it is doing is it is completely emitting a list object. So for this we'll be using from iterable method. So for now let's leave it like this, and let's comment this out. Let's go to the next method, that is differ. So it is used when an observer has to wait for another observer. Let's say something is returning an observer, but you don't want that observer to emit any values until and unless an observer subscribe to that observable. So for that we'll be using differ. So I'll say observable, it will emit an integer, let's say observable equals to observable dot differ. Now inside this we will say new observable source, and we will return an observable. So I have to create an observable first. So let's say observable integer observable ob1 equals to observable dot, let's emit just one item, let's say 19, and we will return this observable ob1. Now if someone subscribes to this, actually I should have used the shorthand, but no problem. So if I run this, alright, so this is the work of differ method. So let's comment this out. Now the other one is empty. As the name suggests, it doesn't emit any item, but whenever an observer subscribes to this observable, it will call onComplete. So as soon as any observer subscribe to this observable, onComplete will be called. So let's see, observable, and let's emit integer, and observable equals to observable dot empty. Now if anyone subscribes, observable dot subscribe, then what will happen is it won't actually get any value, so it won't actually get any value, and it won't even get any error, but the onComplete method would be called. So if I write here, if I write here onComplete, now I run this, and as soon as the observer subscribes, onComplete is called. So this is the work of empty method. Let's comment this out. Let's go to the next one. So next one is error. So as the name suggests, it only emits an error signal. So let's check this out. Observable integer observable equals to observable dot and we will return a throwable and will pass error occurred. Now let's subscribe, observable dot subscribe, and for the value nothing will happen, but the error method would be called. So in error, if I write err dot get message, now let's check, run and check. So it prints the message error occurred. So I hope you get this. Now let's comment this out. Now the next one is observable.range. So what this method does is it will take two parameters. The first one is the starting value, and in next parameter, the second parameter actually is the number of values you want to emit after the starting value. So let's check out. So I say observable integer observable equals to observable dot range, and I'll start from 5 and I'll print 10 values. So observable dot subscribe, and for the value it won't call error and onComplete method, so I'm not writing that. I am simply writing system dot out dot println, colon println. Now let's run this. Alright, so as I said, it will start from 5 and it will print a total of 10 values after 5, like starting from 5 including 5 and then 10 values. Let's comment this out. So next one is interval. So interval actually emits items spaced by some given time interval. So actually I won't be able to show interval and timer now practically. So no, actually let's see what happens. So I'll write here observable integer observable equals to observable dot interval, and let's say once I'm giving it a 1 second interval, and let's just emit one item 5. When someone subscribes, let's see what happens. So it's actually printing the value and it's not working. The 1 second time is actually not working because all of this stuff are running on the main thread. So main thread actually prints this 5 for now, but if I now use the other method, that is timer, so let's observable, let's comment this out. Observable integer observable observable dot, let's see, timer. Let's give it a 1 second timer, and I'll just emit one value. Then I'll say observable dot subscribe and system dot out colon println. So let's check. So you see the 1000 second timer is also not working because everything is running on the main thread. So okay, what actually timer is doing is it actually emits items at delay of the time given here. So after these particular seconds it will emit an item. So let's give here more items and let's check. Alright, so this is actually not working because it's on the main thread. Now let's see the final one which we are going to discuss is from iterable. It will emit integer observable equals to observable dot from iterable, and here we will pass an array and say 2 3 4 5. Now let's subscribe to the observable. Now let's run. Yeah, so this one actually prints each and every value, I mean iterates over each and every value of the list. But if we already saw, if we pass a list to just method, it will actually emit the whole list as an object. So this is what the difference is. So in RxJava 2.0, instead of observable, flowable class is actually used. So we'll be discussing about flowable in some later videos. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.